Even in the dry season from October to June, project visits are not always easy. Slipping in the mud, heat and dust in the back of a pickup, sliding down a mountainside, trees blocking the road, flooding. Sometimes we can drive through, and at other times we have to wade. Breakdowns, we have to be towed. Some schools can only be reached by motorbike and are on the far side of the river. Crossing by raft is the only option. Other schools near the Burma border have to be reached by motorboat. But in the rainy season itself, from July to October, the situation in the mountain schools is dramatic. Mud takes over. Daily life there becomes difficult. These are 5 school directors on their way to school during the rainy season. The man in yellow in a few moments will break his leg in 5 places. Teachers also have great problems getting to school. For female teachers, it even becomes impossible. The students have to walk between 1 and 4 hours from home to school. There's no transportation. And in the rainy season, walking to school is a battle against the mud, with the result that many lose 5 months of education. It's for these reasons that Samsara builds facilities of dormitories and canteens.